Hello everyone, my name is Panu Tel and today I'm going to show you guys my presentation on leadership. So first, what is leadership? In my own word, the definition of leadership is defined as a person who is designated as a lead to guide a group of people or an organization. When is leadership needed? Leadership is needed when there is in various occasions such as sports, organizations, workplace. Anytime you work in a team, leadership is also needed when there is decision making. Leadership versus management. So for leadership, for me, leadership is the action of leading along side by side with his or her follower. That's leadership. The difference between leadership and management. For management, it's more of the action of a leader that has its follower work for him or her. And I found this quote in a book called In the Mix by Arthur Rothwell. And he stated that leadership is not a person but a process. A team may have a designated leader, such as a coach, a manager, project director, but leadership and teams is a shared responsibility. And I feel like this quote really sums up what um, the true meaning of what leadership means. Leadership development. Leadership development is a time when a group leader decide which type of leadership style he or she would like to use to help aid his or her group. So there are various type of leadership styles. For one, there is the directive leadership style where the leader has a clear sense of direction for his or her team. There's also democratic leadership style where the group takes more of the role of decision making rather than just the leader being the person that make all the decisions. There's also transformational leadership style where the leader communicate with his or her team to make necessary changes to execute a goal. I feel like the three leadership style that I just listed, they're more they fit more to leadership styles that will be used in a business environment versus transactional leadership style, where the leader put the importance of rules and structure before his or her follower. This type of leadership style, I feel like it's more towards a military or a Navy base teamwork environment rather than the three that I listed. Team building through leadership. Team building through leadership helps create a comfortable team working environment for both the leader and the follower. Communication skill will also enhance the team to reach their goal faster and more efficiently. Team building through leaderships also help with motivation in the group, and that also lead to networking. And that will be the end of my presentation on leadership. If you do have any questions or any comment, please feel free to send them my way. Thank you so much.